guys, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I am back again for another makeup tutorial. It's gonna be a Kylie Jenner inspired makeup tutorial. I'm gonna be recreating this look from her Instagram. So this is the picture right here. I love her makeup in this photo. She kind of has like this hint of yellow right here on her eye. The whole makeup look is very subtle, but it's still very gorgeous at the same time. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, you guys. I upload videos every single week. Make sure you turn on that bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. If you guys want to see me do this inspired Kylie Jenner makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. First, gonna start off with my brows. I'm gonna take a spoolie and I'm going to brush it out first, you guys. I'm gonna be taking my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. This is the one in caramel. I used to have blonde hair before, so now I'm kind of just stuck with this product. I always start from the middle and then I just arch it. You see how much of a difference that makes? I'm gonna bring some of the product down here. And then I'm just gonna fill it in right here. I'm going to clean it up a bit, so I'm just going to take my spoolie and brush everything through. I always have to keep looking if I'm actually recording, because there's been countless times, you guys, where I have recorded a video and then I look and I'm not recording. You always want to have a bigger mirror in front of you so that way you can kind of see, you know, what you're doing as opposed to having just an up close mirror. So I think I'm pretty happy with my eyebrows right now. It's not the best, it's not the worst. I'm gonna be taking my Bye Bye Under Eye by It Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be taking that with an angled brush. This looks crazy and I would never go out of my house looking crazy like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and underline my eyebrows. Don't worry about us looking crazy because we're gonna blend it out, honey. Take a concealer brush. I'm just going to blend this in. First, going to prime my eyelids. You guys know I love my Urban Decay Primer Potion. Blend that in with my ring finger. Make sure to take it all the way up to the brow bone. Now I'm gonna grab some tape. Get Morphe 35B Color Burst palette. I like to take off this product on the back of my hand. And I'm going to take this color right here. A very nice universal shade. It's all over my lid and also in the crease. I'm going to be using the Naked 2 palette. I'm going to be taking the color Tease right here. Taking that crease brush, focus this right on the outer corner. Perfect. I'm going to slightly drag it in to the inner corner. Take that brush again and I'm just going to buff that out. I take my peach palette and I'm going to be taking like a matte brown. Going to focus that very lightly to your crease. Drag it along the tape and then buff it over that color that we just did. I'm going to grab my Morphe palette. And I'm going to take this yellow shimmer right up here, this one, my Morphe E36. It kind of is like a dome shape like that. Dip it into that yellow color. I'm going to spray it with a rose water spray. You can spray it with any Fix Plus or whatever that you have, right into my inner corner. Very nice. Yes, girl. Mix these two shades together very lightly. It's going to pat it on, you guys. Yes, perfect. That is the color I want. Because I feel like that color on its own is just more green than it is yellow. Go in with my Naked palette, black shade right here, with an angled brush. I know she doesn't have any wing, but I'm going to put this as close to the lash line as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and just smoke this eyeshadow because we don't want it to be a liner, but we want it to be very smoky. Go ahead and remove the tape. I've already curled my eyelashes. Mascara, I'm going to be using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. You guys know that I love this mascara. She does not have any falsies on. I think she has eyelash extensions. So while the first coat is, you know, hanging out and drying, we're gonna go ahead and move on to foundation. Using my Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. This is the one in Apricot Haze. Go ahead and give that a shake. Apply this primer. Feels very nice. Make sure to cover up this pimple here. Of course, Kylie always has flawless, glawless skin. Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and just dot this on my face. Okay. A little heavy today. I'm gonna take my black beauty blender and go ahead and work that into my skin. Go ahead and cover this friend of ours because she is no longer wanted here. I really love this foundation because it is like full coverage for a drugstore foundation. It's super amazing, especially for the price, you guys. It's only like $9. Go ahead and take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Love this concealer because it shows you when you're out and stuff, so you just wind it. Go ahead and take some concealer and just draw it right here, right underneath. We're gonna do a triangle. Fill it in all the way up. Cover this pimple right here. We're gonna go down the bridge of the nose, the chin area, forehead. Blender and spray it on the pointy side. What I do is take a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand right here. Before I blend everything in, I'm gonna pick some up with my beauty blender, so that way when I blend in the concealer, it doesn't take it away. It still stays on there. Maybe, of course, taking my e.l.f. translucent powder. I'm gonna take my Morphe beauty sponge. Love this because it has like the angled sides. So anyways, I'm gonna take this, press that in there. Now I really love this. Oh my god. Now it's Kylie Jenner, so are you, I would probably bake heavier than I normally would. Okay, so with the remaining powder, I'm just gonna take my Sephora number 40, whatever excess powder is on here, tap, and then just set my forehead, set my chin, set my neck. While she is baking, we're gonna go back into mascara. So I'm gonna take my Voluminous Million Lashes mascara. I'm gonna take a brush like this. It's very, small. I'm gonna go ahead and take this color Summer Yum. So I'm gonna drag this right on my lower lash line. I love doing this step because I just feel like it smokes out my eyes more. Taking my e.l.f. powder brush, and I'm going to first stipple this into my skin so that way it just really bakes in there. Same to this side. Same thing for the under eyes. Stipple it in and then brush it away. Brush it away. Taking my City Color contour palette, taking the darker side along the sides of my nose. Now don't worry, this looks crazy, but we're going to blend it out. I always like to add some right on the tip of my nose. You really want to make it as narrow as possible. I'm going to take a foundation brush and I'm going to blend it out. See? So much better. Go back in with that powder and I'm just going to really just press it in there just to really narrow the nose. I'm going to pat this like I said. And we're going to dust that away. It doesn't look like she has any brow bone highlight. If she does, it's a very subtle highlight. So I'm gonna go in to Peaches and Cream right here. It doesn't have any shimmer or anything. Right under here, apply that to our inner corners. And also we're going to highlight right on the tip of our nose, and then we're gonna drag it down like a little exclamation mark. Taking my Pure Fully Charged, a black eyeliner, outline the upper waterline because the Kardashians do this a lot. I'm gonna be taking the Tarte with 3 A's. It's kind of like this super cute, pretty pink blush. Taking that with my Luxie 514 blush brush. I'm gonna take some of that, I'm gonna smile, and we're going to sweep it up. Wow, very cute. She doesn't have a whole lot of bronzer on her face, but We're just going to, you know, warm up the face a little bit. Beauty blender. Just gonna soften up the bronzer. I forgot to set my eyebrows, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm just using a clear brow gel to moisturize my lips because, you know, it's a little crusty. This look cannot be complete without a Kylie product. Lips, I'm going to line them with the Kylie Dulce K lip liner. It's just a very nude lip liner. Now I have another option. You can use the MAC, hold on, let me see if I can find it. You can either use MAC lip liner in Whirl, or you can use the Kylie, one of her Kylie lip kits. You really want to overdraw your lips, obviously, because it's Kylie Jenner, you know? See if I can try to follow her shape. I know she has lip injections, so obviously my lips aren't going to be as plump as hers. I'm going to be using Lumiere by ColourPop. I'm going to mix another shade on top. This is the NYX Abu Dubai. Love these soft cream lips, but I'm just going to mix these two colors. It kind of gives me like the perfect pinky nude. Becca Champagne Pop, which is my favorite highlighter ever. I'm just going to highlight a little. I'm not even going to spray it because we don't want the highlight to be too dominant. We just want a little subtle glow. She has like a little bit of a highlight on her cupid's bow. That is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Kylie Jenner makeup inspired tutorial. Follow me on Instagram, you guys. I posted more pictures recreating this look. And I am just overall obsessed with it, you guys. I hope this video was helpful, of course. And if you guys have any more requests of any other celebrities you want me to do, please leave it in a comment down below. Give me a big thumbs up. It just shows me that you guys like these types of videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.
Look what I've done in my life. I had to count it again to make sure the money was right. They love to talk. Me, I'm just done in the hype. Me, I'm just done in